Racing gas is started with inquiry. Break quickly at the start. Royal Princess Don Alejandro is down on the inside. Rushing upon the outside with Gloria. As Sikura comes next. Zamit Dancer. Then comes Dormi Norman. Star of Manel is running by the rail. Then next online is Spellbinder. Then followed by Especially Discreet. While GI Speedball is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back with Inquiry maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Royal Princess in second. Alongside third comes Wind and Glory. Star of Manel is down on the inside fourth. As Sikura comes next. Then on the outside is Stormy Norman. Maliwalas is running by the rail. Then comes Zamit Dancer. Don Alejandro Spellbinder Especially Discreet. And a long way back to GI Speedball, who's still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race. We're in Inquiry. Star of Manel is running by the rail. And on the outside now is Wind and Glory. Watch out! Then here comes Maliwalas. Finds some opening down on the inside to take the lead. It's now Maliwalas by about 3 lengths. Wind and Glory. Star of Manel. Last Sikura is on the outside. Last 50 meters. We have Maliwalas. And finally, Maliwalas, Asikuda, Wind and Glory. Then comes number 6, Star of Manel, Don Alejandro, and Inquiry for your Super 6.